Hello everyone, welcome back to the World Conflict Monitor channel. Please subscribe my channel. In today's episode, we are going to unfold one of the most intriguing rivalries in the world of modern air defense. On one side stands India's S-400 Triumf missile system, a highly advanced Russian-made platform designed to counter threats from aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. On the other side, we have Pakistan's HQ-9 air defense system, developed in China and positioned as a competitor in both technology and strategic deployment. This is not just about two systems of steel, firepower, and radar, it is about geopolitics, national security, and the balance of power in South Asia. Both countries are nuclear-armed neighbors, both have long-standing military tensions, and both rely on these advanced defensive umbrellas to protect their skies. Understanding the S-400 and HQ-9 is key to understanding how India and Pakistan prepare for aerial warfare in the modern era. To begin with the story's summary, India's acquisition of the S-400 from Russia has been one of the most significant defense deals in decades. It represents a massive leap in India's ability to track, detect, and destroy incoming threats at ranges up to 400 kilometers. For Pakistan, the Chinese HQ-9 system has been integrated as a counterbalance, with its own radar and missile system designed to strike targets at long distances. While the HQ-9 may not match the S-400 in every category, it provides Pakistan with a credible defense layer against enemy aircraft and missile strikes. In simple terms, India relies on one of the world's most advanced air defense shields, while Pakistan uses a more cost-effective but capable system to deter adversaries. Both are powerful in their own domains, and both create a chessboard of deterrence in South Asia. Looking at the exterior of the S-400, it is a formidable sight. The system consists of multiple components including launch vehicles, radar trucks, command posts, and support equipment mounted on heavy-duty transport vehicles. The launchers are tall, with canisters that house the long-range interceptor missiles, giving it an imposing presence. Each launcher can carry up to 4 large missile tubes, and the mobility of the system allows it to be quickly repositioned depending on operational requirements. Its radar, known as the 91N6E Big Bird, is mounted on a separate vehicle and can detect threats at vast distances. In contrast, the HQ-9 of Pakistan also comes in a mobile configuration. Externally, it looks quite similar with long missile canisters mounted on large transport trucks. Its radars and command systems are also mounted on mobile platforms, making it flexible for quick deployment. While the HQ-9 looks less imposing than the S-400, it still provides the image of a capable, ready-to-fire defensive wall. Moving briefly to the interior, both systems have advanced electronic brains. The interior of the S-400 command module is filled with sophisticated radar consoles, tracking computers, and communication systems that connect operators to every part of the network. The user interface is designed to give operators a clear picture of the aerial battlefield. Inside the HQ-9, the command cabin is more modest but still houses advanced Chinese-made tracking consoles and missile guidance systems. It may not be as complex as the Russian-made S-400's network, but it provides Pakistan with an efficient and relatively easier to operate defense control. Performance is where the difference becomes truly significant. The S-400 is known worldwide as one of the most powerful air defense systems in existence. It can track up to 80 targets simultaneously, engage stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, drones, and even ballistic missiles. It has different classes of interceptor missiles, ranging from short-range to ultra-long-range types capable of hitting targets as far as 400 kilometers away. The speed of the interceptors can reach up to Mach 14, giving them the ability to chase and destroy some of the fastest threats in the sky. Pakistan's HQ-9 system, while impressive in its own right, does not match the S-400 in terms of range or versatility. Its maximum interception range is generally cited around 200 kilometers, with missiles capable of traveling at speeds of Mach 4 to Mach 6. The HQ-9 can target aircraft and some types of cruise missiles, but its ballistic missile interception capabilities are not as strong as the S-400. Still, in terms of regional defense, it provides Pakistan with a layer of protection that significantly enhances its strategic position. Safety features are a critical aspect of these systems, and both countries prioritize secure operation. The S-400 has advanced identification friend or foe (IFF) systems, ensuring that it does not mistakenly engage friendly aircraft. It uses encrypted communication and radar systems that reduce the risk of electronic interference or hacking. Redundancy is built into its radar and missile guidance, so even if one part of the system is jammed or destroyed, the rest can continue functioning. Pakistan's HQ-9 also includes IFF, electronic countermeasures to defend against jamming, and mobile redeployment features that allow it to avoid enemy suppression attacks. While less advanced than the S-400, the HQ-9 is still built with safety and survivability in mind, ensuring it remains a credible deterrent under hostile conditions. Unique selling points further define the systems. The S-400's biggest advantage is its range and flexibility. It can engage multiple targets of different kinds simultaneously at distances unmatched by most other systems in the world. Its capability to counter stealth aircraft makes it a game changer for India. For Pakistan, the HQ-9's unique selling point is its affordability and integration with other Chinese systems. It may not reach the S-400's levels, but it gives Pakistan a cost-effective way to strengthen its defenses. The HQ-9 is also more modular and easier to operate, meaning Pakistan can deploy it with fewer resources. For India, the S-400 is also a political statement, showing its close ties with Russia and its willingness to spend billions to ensure aerial superiority. For Pakistan, the HQ-9 represents the strength of its strategic partnership with China. Price is another area where the difference is stark. India's deal with Russia for 5 regiments of the S-400 cost approximately $5.5 billion, making it one of the most expensive defense purchases in India's history. Each regiment covers a massive area, but the financial burden is significant. In contrast, the HQ-9 system is far less costly. While exact figures are often not disclosed, estimates suggest Pakistan's procurement cost for HQ-9 batteries is substantially lower, perhaps in the hundreds of millions rather than billions. This affordability allows Pakistan to field its system without crippling its defense budget, though it comes at the cost of reduced capability compared to the S-400. In conclusion, the comparison between the S-400 and HQ-9 is not simply about which is better. The S-400 is undeniably superior in terms of range, performance, and sophistication, giving India a strong edge in air defense. However, Pakistan's HQ-9, while less capable, still provides a reliable shield that deters aggression and complements its overall defense strategy. Both systems reflect the defense philosophies of their respective nations, India's pursuit of cutting-edge technology regardless of cost, and Pakistan's reliance on practical, cost-effective solutions aligned with its partnership with China. Together, these two systems symbolize the high-stakes competition between India and Pakistan, where each step in military technology is matched by a counterstep from the other side. In the skies over South Asia, the S-400 and HQ-9 stand not just as machines of war, but as symbols of national pride, political alliances, and the ongoing struggle for strategic balance.